Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Good morning guys. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. What the hell bro, what happened to you? I have full folder of videos which luckily they're not posted anywhere on this internet. Won't see my cringiness twice. So what's up YouTube? You turned into this video just to find out how much YouTube paid me for 5,000 subscribers, which we just hit about 2 weeks ago. 12 years of posting YouTube videos online, starting with BMX, then trying vlogs on cruise ship. Welcome to the perfect day here in trying to teach you how to apply for a cruise ship job. Now we're doing cars. What is the best car to own in your 20s? And sim racing DIY cockpit videos. After 12 years of posting, which is a funny number, I just passed 5,000 subscribers. And last year my channel got monetized. I had one video which blew up. It's one of the shorts video which is blew up. I will show it right here. It's basically me replicating a blonde girl when she was hitting on the car. I was just replicating and got 1 million views. And my job is into finance. I'm doing billing for a big company and I was like, do I want to do this for a living? Or I just wanted to live my life doing car content and car things in general, fixing them, driving them around, traveling, which I love the most. Let me do a breakdown of how much YouTube actually pays me for the 5,000 subscribers which I currently got on this channel. And thank you so much everyone who hit the subscribe button. And if you're interested into car content or sim racing, stay until the end to find out how much actually YouTube paid me for 5,000 subscribers.
Pizza machine, 62 zary.
You click on this video to check out how much YouTube pays for 5,000 subscribers in 2025. As I mentioned, I started this channel back in 2012, but I was active during the years of 2023 up until now 2025 between. And after 2023, I finally find some time to post as many videos as I can. I always loved the idea of hustle culture. I wanted to see how many videos I can post, how many views I can get on these videos, and if one video popped out, maybe that's gonna be a financial freedom. I had the energy and started to pursue YouTube as a full-time now, which there was a little break in between. I will just show you in a second. And now I wanted to share how much money I actually made on this platform, and I wanted to talk if it's worth to post in 2025. Don't mind my room, it's a mess. So first, let's talk about how do you get monetized on YouTube. There is 2 requirements that you need to surpass before you can even get $1 from your YouTube videos. 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million views on shorts and 1,000 subscribers eligible for monetization. And 1,000 subscribers is not an easy task to get. You need to post daily, and all of this will need to happen within a year. You cannot be just like in the period of 12 years, make the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours or the 10 million short views. You need to do it within the 1 year range. And YouTube, it's hard. It's not like TikTok. You post a video, sometimes it can go into the algorithm and many people can watch it. Like one of my first videos on TikTok, it was not a video, it was like those picture slides. Got 3 million views in like 24 to 48 hour period, and it was like mind-bending. It got like 20,000 followers just for one single video within those 2 days. But YouTube, you need to hustle. You need to post up to 10, 20 or 100 videos, and you must be consistent. Every video you post, you need to expect something, 1 or 2 views. I will show you now. And if you can see here, my channel got monetized January 1st, 2023. And if you go here, you can see I didn't post much. And then I started to earn some cents from posting daily. So this doesn't sound much, $1 a day. Less than, it's like $0.50 a day. Every start is like this. Come on, $3.16 on September 8th, 2023. This is the time when I posted that short which got over 1 million views. And if I go to dashboard, analytics, and I go lifetime, I got 3 million views so far, including long form and short form videos. This is what my channel got so far from posting YouTube videos starting from 2012. But this is not regular posting, this is on and off. Okay, let's get into the numbers. So this one you can see is the most viewed video on my channel, 1,100,000 views. It's a Honda versus Bentley ASMR. Honda. You get the idea. As I mentioned, it got 1 million views. It was actually quick million views within a couple of days, and it earned me astonishing $21. And most of my subscribers came from this one video alone. At the moment, the video is making 3 views, which is not amazing. We have this one, Bentley versus Honda, which is similar. It's a different Bentley this time. 70,000 views. For 70,000 views on a short, you're getting $2. Amazing. We are breaking the bank so far. And now, how much YouTube actually made from starting this channel back in 2012? Got monetized in 2023 after 9 years of posting on and off. It got 373,000 within these last 28 days because I started posting daily shorts and a couple of videos, long form videos, whenever I can make them. As I said, at the moment I'm working 9 to 5 as a finance guy, and at the moment I'm not 100% on YouTube, which it might change if the numbers start to go even more up. If we go here, lifetime, I made astonishing $102.80 from AdSense alone, which you can see here, all of the views, how much they racked up. Here is the short, which is blew up, estimated earnings, $102. And then, as you can see, if I go last 28 days, my channel is not earning anything. Why? Because last year, because of laziness, I posted a video, because I haven't posted for like 2 or 3 weeks. I posted a video which was not much editing on it. There was some editing, but not much. And YouTube flagged it as reused content. And I could have appealed it, but I was burned down back in August, and no, I was not feeling like sending an appeal video, and eventually they demonetized my channel. Wow. Which month and a half ago, I decided I'm gonna pursue again YouTube full-time. As you can see now, this is how much I need for monetization. We are about 10% each on public watch hours and 10% on public short views. And if you go into analytics, if I go back 90 days, and if you can see, my channel got about almost 600,000 views on my channel, which 70% of them stayed, swiped away 27%. Mostly it's because of the short videos. But some of the long form videos are not getting much views. At the moment they are at almost 4,000 views, which is not much, but we got good impressions, 52,000 impressions. New thing I started to do, ChatGPT helping me with the thumbnail designs, which at the moment not great amount of views, but we will see and we will try to work it out what is best for the algorithm. But I always watch the click-through rate, like on this last video which I just posted without a thumbnail. You can see it got almost 2,000 impressions, which 2,000 different new people my videos. And here I can see how much subscribers they are. So 94% are not even subscribed. And if you would like to support the channel, smash that subscribe button. It would mean a world to me. Probably stop doing finance, the 9-to-5 job. And after your channel gets monetized, you'll receive this kind of paper from Google. It's Google AdSense account. Then your AdSense account, you'll link it to your bank account. You will need to have at least $70 payment on your account, so for the AdSense to send you the amount directly to your bank. And just so you know, after your channel got monetized, your previous videos all going to be monetized. You will just not get the RPM amount from each specific video. They will start to earn after a new viewer is watching those videos. Ads will start to appear on these videos, and we're getting per 1,000 views per ads. And as you can see here, RPM on YouTube refers to revenue per mile, which indicates the estimated earnings a creator makes per 1,000 views on their videos. Now let's go into the advanced mode to see how much actually is my best performing videos. As you can see here, this is only the videos that got monetized and made some money, which as we can see it's $102, and all you can see here is also the impressions, which is again it's important as well. You can see how much your videos were presented to a different audience, and this is the performance of every single video on my channel, for which we can see that one of the long form videos is in the range of, this one was posted 12-13 years ago from now, and it made $1 for that long, which after the channel gets monetized, and if the video is watched after that, then when it starts to make money. And final point, is YouTube worth in 2025? I'll give an honest answer. No, I don't think so. If you're just here only for the cash and nothing else, it's a hard work, it takes time, posting videos every single day, it's difficult. If cash is the only mindset you have for YouTube, then it's not for you. If you just started as a hobby, post a YouTube video here and there. There will always be people who are interested in things that you're interested in. There's 7 billion people on this planet. Let me know in the comments below what is your goals and what would you like to do if your channel got monetized and how much money you would like to make. And if you stay until the end, thank you so much for watching. Press that like button, press that subscribe button, and as always, see you into the next video. Peace.
Yeah. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer.